Okay, I am trying to do Swiss Army triplets, but the issue is my left-hand lead Swiss Army triplets are trash. They're garbage. So this is how it's supposed to sound. Right-hand lead. Nice and clean. Right hand fantastic. And here's left hand attempt. As you can see, I've clearly hammered out all the right-handed stuff as far as I could possibly go with it. It's fantastic. Nothing has been done with the left hand, which is a bit of an issue. So I'll have to strictly do left-hand leads Swiss Army triplets.